Ladies and gents, I'm going to show you real quick the best and fastest and easiest way to put your Corvette top back on. First thing you do is make sure your door is open. Okay? Door is open. You're going to open up your trunk. You're going to push the trunk all the way up, as high as it goes. This is the way I find it to be the easiest, right? Hand on each side, pull it out, lift it straight up. Now you're going to rotate it in your hands like this. See how now I'm holding it this way? I can literally hold it right over my head, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk over to the car. I'm going to put one leg in, and I'm going to sit in the car with the roof over my head. Back these two in. Hit your latches. That's it, done. To take the top off, we're going to do one thing that's very important first. We're going to open up the rear hatch. So you go in the back. You don't want to be back here holding the roof and then have to open this. So open it up, push it as high as it can go. Come back into the vehicle. You're going to release your two levers in the front. One, two, one in the back. Now, again, the best thing to do, in my opinion, take the roof off, hold it over your head, and just get up out of the car. Right? Once you're here, you're just going to reverse your hand positions. So now you're holding it this way. Slide it in. Done. Easiest way to do it.